Hello and welcome. Here today we've got this 18650 cell. This is an LG brand that you would find typically in one of these DeWalt 5 ampere batteries. Sometimes they use Samsung, sometimes they use LG. Who knows why, but they're both good cells. This one in particular is a bad cell because I pulled this from a defective bank of cells earlier on this week. And what's wrong with this one, I'm going to show you on the voltmeter. Here we go. It's giving us absolutely nothing. So if you've got a cell like that, there's a good chance that it's blowing a little fuse on here. When it overheats, it pushes a little breaker that breaks a connection from the plus side and stops the cell functioning. This is a safety feature, and what I'm going to do today is show you how to override this and explain why you should never do that. Never do this because cells going fire could cause injury to yourself and damage to your property, and it's not the wish of me for anything like that to happen to you out there. But this is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. What you do is, this is so dangerous, don't do this. What you don't do is this. You make a little gap in the plus side like that, and you get a little screwdriver, and there's a little thing in there, like a little, you see the thing in the middle? If I push that down gently, it should reconnect the cell. That should reconnect that fuse, that broken connection. And we should get voltage again. Yes, we have 3.32 volts in this cell. So that means this cell is now viable, and I could use this in a pack. But I'm going to tell you why I'll never use this in a pack. Because that little thing that we reconnected, if that overheats again, that won't fire. And that could run into thermal runaway and set your house on fire, or set your van on fire, or cause personal injury if you're using the battery at the time. So please don't try this at home. This is only for education and entertainment purposes only. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for other videos.